Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing any case and screen protector. Dirt or pressure can block touch. Once done, wipe the screen with a lint-free cloth and ensure battery is above 20%. Next, perform a soft restart by holding power and volume down for 10 seconds to clear temporary glitches. Then boot into safe mode to check whether an app is causing the issue. If touch returns in safe mode, you know it's app-related, so proceed to uninstall recent apps. With safe mode confirming a software cause, run diagnostics using Samsung members or built-in tests to map dead zones. If touch is intermittent, toggle touch sensitivity in settings display to adjust for screen protectors. That can restore responsiveness. Make sure your system and apps are updated. Uninstall recent or suspicious apps. If problems persist, boot to recovery mode and wipe the cache partition to remove corrupt temporary files. This preserves data while refreshing system resources, often restoring touch responsiveness. If software steps fail, inspect the screen edges and connectors for physical damage or moisture. Look for corrosion or fog under the glass. Back up your data immediately, then perform a factory reset if you haven't already. This rules out deep software corruption. Once you reset and the problem persists, the digitizer or display assembly is likely faulty. One key troubleshooting tip: test with a known good replacement display or consult an authorized Samsung technician before buying parts, because incorrect parts can make things worse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.